Hello everyone. Welcome to Module 1 on Define Project Quality. In this section, we will cover the definition of quality, the scope of project quality, the objectives of project quality management. Understanding these foundational concepts is essential to grasp the broader aspects of project quality management. First, let's define quality. Quality, in the context of project management, refers to the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirements. These requirements can include customer needs, regulatory standards, and organizational guidelines. Quality is about meeting or exceeding expectations and ensuring that the project deliverables are fit for their intended purpose. In simpler terms, quality means delivering what was promised and ensuring it meets the necessary standards. Next, let's discuss the scope of project quality. The scope of project quality encompasses all the activities and processes necessary to ensure that the project's deliverables meet the required standards. This includes quality planning, determining the quality standards relevant to the project and how to achieve them. Quality assurance, ensuring that the quality processes are in place and are being followed. Quality control, monitoring and measuring the project's outputs to ensure they meet the defined standards. The scope of project quality is comprehensive, covering every aspect from planning to execution and control. Moving on to the objectives of project quality management. The main objectives are customer satisfaction, ensuring that the project deliverables meet or exceed customer expectations, leading to satisfaction and repeat business. Compliance, making sure that all deliverables adhere to regulatory, legal, and contractual requirements. Efficiency, improving the efficiency of project processes to reduce waste, rework, and costs. Continuous improvement, encouraging ongoing improvements in processes and deliverables to enhance quality over time. These objectives help guide the quality management processes and ensure that the project remains focused on delivering high-quality outcomes. Understanding these fundamental concepts sets the stage for effectively managing quality in your projects. As we move forward, we will delve deeper into each aspect of project quality management. Understanding stakeholder expectations is a critical component of project quality management. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in the outcome of the project. Their expectations and requirements must be clearly understood and managed to ensure the project's success and to deliver high-quality outputs. Next, let's discuss the importance of understanding stakeholder expectations. Alignment with project goals. Understanding what stakeholders expect ensures that the project aligns with their goals and objectives. Risk reduction. Clear understanding helps identify potential risks early and address them proactively. Enhanced satisfaction, meeting or exceeding stakeholder expectations leads to higher satisfaction and stronger relationships. Successful delivery, ensuring that deliverables meet stakeholder needs is essential for project success. Understanding stakeholder expectations is fundamental to achieving these outcomes. Now, let's identify who the stakeholders are. Primary stakeholders, these include project sponsors, customers, and end users who have a direct interest in the project's outcome. Secondary stakeholders, these are individuals or groups indirectly affected by the project, such as regulatory bodies, suppliers, and the community. Internal stakeholders, team members, managers, and employees within the organization. External stakeholders, clients, partners, and external organizations. Accurately identifying all stakeholders is crucial to understanding their expectations. Let's look at the methods for gathering stakeholder expectations. Interviews. Conduct one-on-one interviews to gather detailed information. Surveys and questionnaires. Distribute surveys to collect quantitative data from a larger audience. Workshops and focus groups. Facilitate discussions to gather insights and foster collaboration. Observation. Observe stakeholders in their environment to understand their needs and behaviors. Document analysis. Review existing documents and records to extract relevant information. Using a combination of these methods provides a comprehensive understanding of stakeholder expectations. Now, let's discuss the importance of early involvement of stakeholders. Early feedback. Engaging stakeholders early allows for feedback that can shape the project's direction and scope. Building trust, early involvement fosters trust and strengthens relationships. Identifying requirements, gathering requirements early helps ensure that the project is designed to meet stakeholder needs from the outset. Improving decision-making, involving stakeholders in the decision-making process leads to better, more informed decisions. Early involvement is key to aligning the project with stakeholder expectations and ensuring their needs are met. Understanding and managing stakeholder expectations is essential for delivering a successful project that meets or exceeds quality standards. In this block, we will explore the various methods used to gather stakeholder expectations. Understanding these methods will help ensure that we accurately capture the needs and requirements of all stakeholders involved in the project. Let's start with the first method, interviews. One-on-one interviews. Conducting individual interviews allows for in-depth discussions and the collection of detailed information. It helps in understanding the specific needs, concerns, and expectations of each stakeholder. Structured versus unstructured. Structured interviews follow a set list of questions, ensuring consistency. Unstructured interviews are more conversational, allowing for flexibility and deeper insights. Benefits. Interviews provide qualitative data, foster personal connections, and can uncover hidden issues or needs. Interviews are a powerful method for gaining a deep understanding of stakeholder expectations. Next, let's discuss surveys. Designing surveys. Surveys should be well designed with clear, concise questions to gather specific information. They can include multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended questions. Distribution. Surveys can be distributed online, via email, or in person, reaching a large audience efficiently. Analyzing results. The collected data can be analyzed quantitatively to identify trends, patterns, and common expectations. Benefits. Surveys are cost-effective, provide quantitative data, and can reach a wide range of stakeholders. Surveys are an efficient way to gather broad input from many stakeholders. Now, let's look at focus groups. Group discussions. Focus groups involve facilitated discussions with a small group of stakeholders. This setting encourages interactive dialogue and the exchange of ideas. Diverse perspectives. Bringing together stakeholders from different backgrounds provides diverse perspectives and a richer understanding of expectations. Facilitation. A skilled facilitator is essential to guide the discussion, ensure participation, and keep the group focused on the objectives. Benefits. Focus groups generate qualitative data, foster collaboration, and help identify common themes and issues. Focus groups are valuable for gathering in-depth insights and encouraging stakeholder engagement. Finally, let's discuss documentation. Reviewing existing documents. Analyzing documents such as project plans, requirement specifications, contracts, and previous reports provides historical context and insights into stakeholder expectations. Data extraction. Extracting relevant information from these documents helps in identifying patterns, requirements, and potential issues. Verification. Comparing document findings with other data sources, such as interviews and surveys, helps verify accuracy and completeness. Benefits. Documentation review is comprehensive, provides a historical perspective, and ensures that no important details are overlooked. Documentation review complements other methods by providing a thorough understanding of stakeholder expectations based on existing records. Each method has its unique strengths and benefits, and using a combination of these approaches ensures a well-rounded understanding of stakeholder expectations. This comprehensive approach is crucial for planning and delivering a project that meets or exceeds quality standards. The importance of setting quality standards and how they help ensure project deliverables meet the necessary requirements and stakeholder expectations. First, let's understand the purpose of quality standards. Consistency. Quality standards ensure that project deliverables are consistent and meet the predefined criteria. Benchmarking. They provide a benchmark for measuring the quality of outputs and processes. Compliance. Standards help in ensuring compliance with regulatory and industry requirements. Customer satisfaction. Meeting quality standards leads to higher customer satisfaction and trust. The primary purpose of quality standards is to ensure that the project deliverables are reliable, meet expectations, and comply with all necessary requirements. Next, let's look at how to set effective quality standards using the SMART criteria. Specific. standards should be clear and specific, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable, they should be quantifiable, allowing for objective measurement and assessment. Achievable, standards should be realistic and attainable within the project's constraints. Relevant, they must be pertinent to the project objectives and stakeholder needs. Time-bound, standards should include timeframes to ensure timely evaluation and compliance. Using the SMART criteria helps in setting clear, actionable, and realistic quality standards that guide project execution. Now, let's discuss the areas where quality standards are applied. Product quality, ensuring that the final deliverables meet the required specifications and performance criteria. Process quality, maintaining high standards in the processes used to develop the project deliverables. Compliance, adhering to regulatory, legal, and industry standards. Customer service, providing exceptional service and support to customers and stakeholders. Documentation, ensuring that all project documentation is accurate, complete, and up to date. Quality standards are applicable in various areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage and consistent quality across all aspects of the project. Let's look at some examples of quality standards. ISO 9001, a widely recognized standard for quality management systems, ensuring continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Six Sigma, a methodology focused on reducing defects and improving process quality. CMMI, Capability Maturity Model Integration, a process-level improvement training and appraisal program. Project-specific standards, custom standards tailored to the specific requirements of the project, such as technical specifications or service-level agreements. Industry standards, standards specific to an industry, like FDA regulations for pharmaceuticals or IEEE standards for electrical and electronic engineering. These examples illustrate the variety of quality standards that can be applied to ensure high-quality outcomes in different contexts. Setting quality standards is a critical step in project quality management, providing clear guidelines and benchmarks to ensure that project deliverables meet the required quality criteria. In this block, we will cover 3 key quality processes essential for ensuring project success. Let's start with quality planning. The objective of quality planning is to identify the quality requirements and standards for the project and to document how the project will demonstrate compliance with these standards. Objective: to ensure that the project meets the defined quality standards and stakeholder expectations by planning the necessary quality management activities. Next, let's look at the key elements of quality planning. Quality Management Plan outlines the quality standards, metrics, and processes. Quality metrics, specific criteria used to measure quality. Checklists, lists of items, actions, or points to be considered to ensure quality. Process Improvement Plan identifies areas for process enhancement and sets out actions to improve them. The outputs of quality planning include Quality Management Plan, a comprehensive document detailing how quality will be managed throughout the project. Quality metrics, defined measures that will be used to assess the quality of the project deliverables. Checklists, tools to ensure that all necessary quality activities are performed. Process Improvement Plan, a plan for ongoing improvement of processes to enhance quality. In conclusion, quality planning is critical for setting the stage for quality management throughout the project. It involves defining quality standards, developing metrics, creating checklists, and planning for process improvements to ensure project success. Next, let's move on to quality assurance. Quality assurance focuses on ensuring that the quality management processes are followed and that they effectively achieve the desired quality standards. Focus: to provide confidence that the quality requirements will be fulfilled by adhering to established processes and standards. Key activities in quality assurance include process audits, regularly reviewing processes to ensure compliance with the quality management plan. Quality reviews, conducting reviews to assess the effectiveness of quality processes and identify areas for improvement. Training, providing training to team members on quality standards and procedures. Process improvements, implementing changes to enhance the effectiveness of quality processes. The goal of quality assurance is to ensure that the project processes are adequate and followed correctly to meet quality standards. Goal: to build confidence that the project's deliverables will meet the specified quality requirements through effective and efficient processes. In conclusion, quality assurance focuses on maintaining and improving quality processes to ensure that they are effective in achieving the desired quality outcomes. It involves audits, reviews, training, and continuous improvement. Lastly, let's discuss quality control. The objective of quality control is to monitor and measure project outputs to ensure they meet the established quality standards. Objective: to identify and correct defects in the project deliverables and processes to ensure they meet the quality requirements. Key activities in quality control include inspection and testing, examining products, services, or processes to ensure they meet quality standards. Statistical process control, using statistical methods to monitor and control quality. Peer reviews, having team members review each other's work to identify and correct defects. Defect repair, identifying, documenting, and correcting defects in deliverables. The outcome of quality control is to ensure that the project's deliverables are of high quality and free from defects. Outcome: high-quality deliverables that meet or exceed stakeholder expectations and comply with all quality standards and requirements. In conclusion, quality control is essential for verifying that project deliverables meet the required quality standards. It involves inspection, testing, peer reviews, and defect repair to ensure the highest quality outcomes. These processes are critical for establishing and maintaining high-quality standards throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring successful project outcomes. Continuous improvement ensures that we are always striving to enhance the quality of our processes and deliverables. Let's begin with the approach to continuous improvement. Philosophy of ongoing enhancement. Continuous improvement is an ongoing effort to enhance products, services, and processes. It involves making incremental improvements over time or breakthrough improvements all at once. Iterative process. This approach is iterative, involving regular assessments, identifying areas for improvement, implementing changes, and evaluating the results. Engagement and involvement. It requires the involvement and engagement of all team members, fostering a culture of quality and excellence. Data-driven decisions. Decisions are based on data and analysis, ensuring that improvements are effective and sustainable. The continuous improvement approach is essential for maintaining high-quality standards and adapting to changing needs and conditions. Now, let's explore key techniques for continuous improvement. First, let's discuss root cause analysis, RCA. Purpose: root cause analysis is used to identify the underlying causes of defects or problems. By addressing the root causes, we can prevent recurrence. Process: it involves collecting data, identifying the problem, analyzing the causes, and implementing corrective actions. Tools: common tools for root cause analysis include the 5 whys, fishbone diagram, Ishikawa, and fault tree analysis. Benefits: root cause analysis helps in understanding the true origins of issues, leading to more effective and long-lasting solutions. Root cause analysis is a critical technique for addressing and eliminating the sources of quality problems. Next, let's look at benchmarking. Purpose: benchmarking involves comparing your processes and performance metrics to industry best practices or standards. Types: there are various types of benchmarking, including internal, competitive, and functional benchmarking. Process: it includes identifying what to benchmark, selecting benchmarking partners, collecting and analyzing data, and implementing improvements. Benefits: benchmarking helps identify areas for improvement, adopt best practices, and enhance performance relative to competitors. Benchmarking provides valuable insights that can drive significant improvements in quality. Now, let's discuss feedback loops. Purpose: feedback loops involve collecting input from stakeholders, customers, and team members to inform improvements. Types: feedback can be gathered through surveys, interviews, focus groups, and customer feedback systems. Process: it involves collecting feedback, analyzing it, identifying improvement opportunities, and implementing changes. Benefits: feedback loops ensure that improvements are aligned with stakeholder needs and expectations, fostering continuous enhancement and satisfaction. Feedback loops are essential for responsive and adaptive continuous improvement efforts. The goal of continuous improvement is to consistently enhance the quality of processes, products, and services. Goal: to create a culture of excellence where continuous enhancement is a core value, leading to better performance, higher quality, and greater stakeholder satisfaction. Outcomes: improved efficiency, reduced defects, increased innovation, and sustained competitive advantage. Achieving this goal ensures that quality remains a top priority and that the project continuously evolves to meet and exceed expectations. Continuous improvement is vital for sustaining high-quality standards and ensuring the long-term success of projects. In conclusion, we will summarize what we've learned, review the key steps in defining project quality, and discuss the expected outcomes of applying these principles. Let's begin with a summary of the module. Definition of project quality. We defined project quality as the degree to which a project meets the requirements and expectations of stakeholders, including conformance to standards and specifications. Planning for quality. We discussed how to identify quality standards and develop a quality management plan to guide the project. Quality assurance. We explored the processes for ensuring that the project follows established quality standards and procedures. Quality control. We covered the methods for monitoring and measuring project outputs to ensure they meet quality standards. Continuous improvement. We emphasized the importance of ongoing efforts to enhance project processes and deliverables through techniques such as root cause analysis, benchmarking, and feedback loops. Throughout the module, we focused on establishing a robust framework for managing and ensuring quality in projects. Now, let's review the key steps in defining project quality. Identify stakeholder expectations. Understand what stakeholders expect in terms of quality through interviews, surveys, focus groups, and documentation review. Set quality standards. Establish clear, specific, and measurable quality standards using the SMART criteria. Develop a quality management plan. Document how quality will be managed throughout the project, including processes, metrics, and responsibilities. Implement quality assurance. Ensure that quality processes are followed and are effective through process audits, reviews, and continuous improvement activities. Perform quality control. Monitor and measure project deliverables to ensure they meet the established quality standards through inspections, testing, and peer reviews. Engage in continuous improvement. Continuously seek to improve project processes and outputs using techniques like root cause analysis, benchmarking, and feedback loops. These steps form a comprehensive approach to defining and managing project quality. Finally, let's discuss the expected outcomes of applying these principles. Consistent quality. By following a structured quality management process, you can ensure consistent quality in project deliverables. Stakeholder satisfaction. Meeting or exceeding stakeholder expectations leads to higher satisfaction and trust. Compliance. Adhering to quality standards and regulatory requirements ensures compliance and reduces the risk of legal issues. Efficiency and effectiveness. Well-defined quality processes enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of project execution. Continuous improvement culture. Establishing a culture of continuous improvement fosters ongoing enhancements and innovation, ensuring the project remains competitive and relevant. Applying these principles helps ensure that your project not only meets quality standards but also continuously evolves to meet changing demands and expectations. Defining project quality involves understanding stakeholder expectations, setting clear standards, planning and managing quality processes, and committing to continuous improvement. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project delivers high-quality results, satisfies stakeholders, and remains competitive. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in Module 2 of the Lesson 10. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.